Honorable Sir, I thank you to give me opportunity to speak on the taxation and other loan relaxation and amendment of certain provisions Bill 2020. GST compensation to states. In response to an unanswered question on GST shortfall, question number 212 on the 14th September 2020, the Centre has admitted that GST compensation to be states the period from April to July 2020 is yet to be paid. States are now given an option to borrow or raise money from the market, which will be repaid later by the Centre. But even to plan the borrowing from the market, the states need to know the timeline when they can expect to get pending GST compensation. 2. Non-utilization of revenues collected from the cesses. According to report of CAG, over 2.18 lakh crore collected by central government as cess for specific purposes such as education, sanitation, infrastructure have either not been transferred to dedicated funds or remain unutilized. The revenue collected from these cases is being retained in the Consolidated Fund of India without transfer to their respective funds. Can the Centre release this unutilized cess to the states who are waiting for their GST compensation? 3. Early resolution of tax disputes to free the locked up funds. In response to an unanswered question number 1228 on 10 February 2020, it was informed that more than 4.5 lakh crore is locked up in indirect tax-related disputes at various levels like adjudication, appeals, tribunals, high courts and Supreme Court. Past surveys show that success rate of the department in tax cases at all levels is less than 35%. As noted by the CAG, the reason for this low success rate is errors of assessing officers in their assessment of tax. Given the revenues crunch in the economy, measures need to be taken to resolve these disputes early and release the funds thus received to the states. 4. Capital infusion by central government into the unorganized sector. While relaxation of tax norms may help the organized sector, there is a greater need to provide incentives and boost the unorganized sector. The concession granted to the bill to the corporate sector and foreign profligate investors may cost the government its revenue. Instead, there is a need to divert the funds to welfare measures like investment in employment of workers from unorganized sectors like migrant workers, construction workers, etc. 5. PM CARES Fund needs for more transparency in operations. The bill proposes to provide for tax relief to those contributing to the PM CARES Fund. Citizens and organizations who donate to these funds have the right to know how the money they donated is being spent. Hence, there is a need for more transparency in its operations. Sir, therefore, the suggestions be considered while putting this bill and my suggestions be considered. Thank you for giving me opportunity, sir. Jai Hind.